Hello everyone. Today, after a week and a half, we finally are again at the roadblock that is creating for an island. I still don't know how I will do this, but I mean, we are in too deep to now just give up, right? Last time I started by trying to make a concept or some kind of blocking of our first island. I mean, I always say, it doesn't need to be perfect, but at some point we should be getting more concrete, no? Oh, hello, King! Yes, you are! Welcome, welcome. I just started. Yesterday I finalized the walking thingy. It works now. Still, I don't use the don't fall off edge thing. So it would be better if my character would snap on the floor without always using gravity. But since we are only in a little RPG here, it is fine, I think. Hello, baby! How are you guys today? I ever write down how much the width should be. I think I checked it out at some point. Why was it a mistake? What happened? Since I upgraded from 5.2 to 5.4, I always have a crash when I open my UI responsible stuff. I don't crash immediately, but I crash after like 1 or 2 play modes or something like that. I'm fine. We reached the middle of the week. Tomorrow is the only day that is like a full day. And then I wonder how much they will find out until I can work again on something productive instead of looking for work, but you'll see. It can't access a file. Do you know what you can try? You can try the following. You can go into your config folder, and then I believe it was default engine. Or default editor. Let me see. No, it's not default editor. Default engine. And then let me search. Here it is. You have to find this game default map and editor startup map. Maybe only the editor startup map. Just go ahead and make a comment out of it or delete it. So your project doesn't open your main map. If you set up a main map, that is. Maybe that is the issue. Maybe... I mean, it is not the issue, but it would be maybe opening, so you could maybe fix stuff. That's what I do when my projects cannot open anymore. And I just get rid of the main so it doesn't need to discover everything. And then I can open the project and find out and fix. But it doesn't work all the time, of course. Maybe I should go ahead and try with some point of interests. Let's say this is a spawn point. Our first map is maybe not the first map we will ever meet. Maybe it's the second map or something. Well, do you know the file name it cannot open or access? I see. And I wish you luck. Let's see, let's say here's the exit. And here's the jump. And we could make it so that here's the funny structure that still I didn't explain anything about. So we would have something like, but I want something with diagonal or curved roads. Maybe come in here like so, I'm not sure. Exit, something like this. Maybe too big. Code 6. If you have something like that, ChatGPT usually knows how to translate that. It is faster than Googling. We begin here. Why do I have golden brush? Oh, damn. Well, that makes sense. But also scary. Because I really don't want to rely on the AI 100%. It still can dream. And if I don't have a place where I can ask questions anymore, well, that's bad. Light side, dark side. And here's our structure. I guess 2 more caves. One could be here. Another one here. Maybe I should integrate this thing so you can walk outside of it. Let's ditch this. Let's do something else. Let's say in the middle we have the structure. We begin here. We have the exit still here. You have the cave here. And the jump place is here. What we could do is... we could go around here to get to this guy. Maybe it's even curved, I'm not sure. And then what? And go around here. We jump here. Something like this. Maybe even... like this. And this leads to this guy. Here's the jump. Something like this, maybe. I mean, yeah, but if Stack Overflow gets less and less traffic, that means less and less people are there to answer things. Which I think will lead to some questions never be answered anymore. But what do I know? I'm just a monkey. I don't know, something like this. Which then we could do some kind of environment. Wouldn't know how to make it, of course. That will be the tricky part, because I have zero idea how to do that. I think I put them wrongly. I would need some kind of concept, like an art direction, to know what to do here. Like, this is an island, right? You could make anything that's not traversable, like some kind of, I don't know, vegetation. But we could also do some kind of rock formation, because it is an island that floats. I mean, the style itself should be rather simplistic. Thought about PS1 or PS2 style. But that still is a very, very broad direction, I guess. I still don't know how it will look like and if I need to change the art style. But I'm talking more about how does a fucking island look like? I don't know. Two-sided island that floats? I guess I have an idea how an island looks that floats, like a rock thing, but come on. I now have to make one. No idea. This is one of the hardest part of this, because my art skills are non-existent. I'm just screwing around and hope that something is okay. That's so bad. Like programming, I can always cheat my way through somehow. But that's like unknown waters. And I can't even swim. I know. I guess I know what I want, I just don't know how to express it. Well, it was nothing, I guess. Let's begin with the central elements. Which always I have this crystal in mind, but I'm not sure if it should be a crystal. A gigantic crystal stretches out to the dark and light side. Now the dimensions are also a problem because I have like no relations. Maybe I should open one of the older maps to see the relations are. Let's see. Let's save this first. I mean, I call it Island 01, but it probably will not be Island 01. How did we call the rest? I don't know. Oh boy. Wait, what? You don't get an error and it doesn't build? How does that work? It must at least say unknown error or something. Let's open a map. Unable to start. Wait, that reminds me of one of my errors at work. You did generate your Visual Studio files and compiled from Visual Studio once, right? Very strange. Well, ChatGPT, I guess. Let's actually go to the other islands and look if we find anything. I think this is very, very small. It should be the minimum, I guess. So 100 centimeters. What did you change? Uh-huh. That sounds scary, man. Okay, so references that. Let's add another cube here. No, X. This is up north. Oops. This will be our crystal. Something like that. Wait. Really? Why am I in edit? Okay. So this is like very small. It should be at least double the size of that. Maybe a little bit more even. Like this. Now we should make a crystal out of this. But how? Right now only decoration, but it will probably be a vessel for the lore. It will be probably the source of the Orplings. But we will see. I need to explain somehow how the islands grow into the sky. But not only that, there is also other things that is tied to that. But we will see how it shapes out, because I have something in mind, but I don't know how it will turn out in the end. I want the game to be kinda self-aware, you know? I want the world not to be fantasy, more like a digital world where you slowly understand that it is actually a game. And I want it to be connected to you somehow. It's everything very, very rough, so we'll see. I should make it symmetrical. Yeah, kinda. But more like, you are not the character, you are you. You help the character to go to things. Should I start with a plane instead? Maybe this is a better idea. Does it? How does it make sense? I didn't even talk about it that much. Was it constraints or modifiers? And kinda. Okay, imagine this. You start the game, and the game is more like a console, something like that. And you can start a new world, and then it gives you some console logouts and so on, and then somewhere is an error and whatever. And then it starts the simulation, why ever. We will see about that. Then you see a crystal or some kind of amulet or whatever falling from the sky all the way down. You see all the islands passing past this amulet, and then you fall onto I don't know, a ground. And then you see people around walking and whatever, and then there is this character that finds that amulet. But before it finds, you can like press a button or whatever, and then this amulet, it lights up. And while you're pressing buttons, one of these characters noticed that thingy, shiny thing, and just picks it up. And from there on, you can hear the thoughts of that character maybe, and you can also control it. More like suggest the way it should go. And from there on, you're like helping this character to find a way up. So is this now mirrored? Can I just go and do the deep? Yes. Now we should connect these. And should this be 4? How many corners should this crystal have? Is it important? Okay, so how do I do cuts again? Was it J? No. Was it K? In like knife? It was. Oop. And I guess I could subdivide this. And then do more cuts. God, this... I'm sure anyone that knows how to do 3D modeling and so on are cringing. And this could be our crystal now. Very big crystal. You don't. I mean, I upload this on YouTube, so there is potentially people that could see it at some point. I'm just not sure I would imagine a crystal be like this. Now the extrude was not like I hoped it to be. How do I make an edge loop here. Do I have it on my cheat sheet? Let me see. Loop cut. Control R. Of course it would be Control R. Like loop cutter. And it doesn't even show a loop. Great. That didn't help us. Oh god. Please no. It does not understand. I guess we go subdivide then. This. Aha! Was it correct though? Somehow I have a bad feeling about this. Seems to be correct. Huh. There is... What do you mean by find? My YouTube is linked down below. But thank you. Oh, I wish you luck, man. But opening is always a good sign, right? I guess it's fine for now. I shouldn't spend too much time on this. Yeah, I know. I should get some panels myself at some point. But like I said, art is my passion, so making panels is not that great. It's a never-ending struggle, man. Me and art. between panels? That sounds like a cool school. Hmm. Day 16. All right. Hmm. I'll come back. Congratulations. Ah. I try to avoid plugins because I never know when I jump to another version, and when I jump, then I I can only hope that the guy that made the plugin also jumped. I see. Mhm. Would I flip normals again? Alt N. I really need some kind of way to make these things smoother or in a better way, because this is not it. Lander, Strute, follow, tangent. How can I cast it? Uh-huh. So, boop, boop. Ah. Congratulations. Hmm. Only issue I've found so far in the upside down mode, I can't walk left or right, only forward and backwards, but since it's third person I can still move everywhere. I mean, I have the controls, but it had some workarounds, since it did some Unreal specific glitches when you are upside down with I guess Euclidean, or how is it called, coordinates. But yeah, my upside down controls work. Now how do we... Maybe it doesn't matter. But that does mean that I have to upgrade to 5.5, right? No. Why did you then? I see. Well, what did you do? Wait, you say invert gravity. Gravity of the player or gravity of the world? Don't forget, I have multiple creatures Also walking around. I see. I mean, I don't use gravity anymore. I'm using my own gravity. I just use velocity. I'm not using its own gravity. Should be the same thing though. In the end, it's just a direction the player goes. I see. I guess the direction would mean where my feet are. Maybe I have to do that. Yeah, I should test that. Gravity direction. Interesting. Let me see if I can find it at least. Because it would still need a proper implementation for that. I would need to pull out all the other things. There it is. And how do you set it? Here. Set a custom local gravity direction to use during movement simulation. The gravity direction must be synchronized by external systems between the autonomous and authority process. What is that? The gravity direction will be corrected as part of movement corrections should the movement start diverge. That gravity direction is responsible for initializing cage values used to transform to form gravity relative space. Huh. I mean, my camera is just parented to the actor, so that's no problem. Yeah, but it's fine. My multiplayer will not have... If I have a multiplayer, 2 players walking around, it would be just a duel. And for that, we don't need gravity. But yeah, I can see if I can mess around with this. Try out gravity direction. So when you used gravity direction, the player snapped to the ground, and then you could use the edge thing. You're assuming. Okay, let's say it like that. When you flip the character and flip the gravity direction, were you able to walk normally? Okay, because when I did that without inverting the gravity direction, it was like it was thinking I'm on my head and was not snapping to the ground. So I guess if I use this, maybe I can dodge that problem, which would mean we could maybe even do something like this, right? Where was that option? Do not... Was it edge? can walk off ledges. Lag chat threshold should be like 1 centimeter or even less. And then it should be fine, I guess. Interesting, interesting. Maybe I also write that. If works, try cannot walk off ledges. Back at our islands. Great, that's not a helpful thing, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is again dreaming. No, you don't have to. It's fine, I believe you. Okay, how do we do this? How do I extrude two sides and they are at the same size? I mean, I could at least do normal, extrude this. Wait. Extrude X, Z, Z. This doesn't tell me like how long it is. I have centimeters, but it's not perfect. Ah, I can use this. I see. Extrude. Same thing here. Not global, please. Right, okay. Extrude. Normal. This, but in plus direction. Perfect, okay, we can use this. How do I revert? GG. Factor 0.5. GG 0.5. Huh. Did you ever work with colliders? Like custom colliders from the FBX? Did you ever make a model where you set colliders? Because now I have a question here. Maybe. Now, I don't know if you know this, but if you want custom colliders, you do its own objects with a naming convention. So Unreal will recognize them as collision boxes and will not render them, but make collision boxes out of them instead. Until now, my boxes were always perfectly angular. What if I have like a trapezoid and like this? Is this considered a box? Probably not, right? Probably convex. Let me see. Unreal collision. FBX or something. Mesh pipeline in Unreal. That should be it. Let's see. So what is this is Angular. So UBX. A box must be created using a regular rectangular 3D object. God damn it! God damn it! What's a rectangular prism? It can still be a trapezoid, but it needs to be the sides needs to be perpendicular. The faces need to be all parallel to each other. This one needs to be parallel to this guy, this to this, and this face with the bottom one. Oh my... When did this happen? No speed bumps allowed. Okay, but how? Okay, now I have the problem. How do I do a floor collision if I only want to use boxes? Am I forced to use convex? Oh god. This is some hardcore shit. Like, at the point where I do this guy and rotate, this guy is not perpendicular anymore. The only thing we can do is we extrude and do this without rotating. But then this thing is very, very strange. And we can only fix it by a triangle here. And we cannot use a triangle since we are with boxes. So how do people do a floor collision? Unreal outdoor floor collision. Best practice environment collision. No, that's not what I need. But how do you do floor collisions? Do they really use convex? Unreal floor box convex maybe. I'm having a hard time understanding how to have a custom collision box, or if it's even possible. I have a floor with a hole and the automatic collision box just aren't working out. Or how can I control the collision boxes, or even have my own box? Take a look at the shoot to game example marketplace. If you take a look at the level high rise, you can see they didn't really use collision boxes per mesh, but they use blocking volumes and went into edit mode, be able to align the blocking volumes around the meshes themselves. Okay, so again my pipeline would be down the drain if I use that. They're using this. Blocking volume. And how do they change the edges? Do they even change the edges? Oh dear. So no matter what I do, if I want to make blocking stuff, they need to be cubes. So what I would need to do is making big cubes and then restrict them by other rectangles like walls, which means I will not be able to use the edge detection anyway, whatever I do. Because I cannot just go, select my little road, make a collision out of it, and be happy. What I am trying to do is, let's say I have a road here, right? This will be visible, but my roads and everything in it will not have a collision. I want a custom collision right under the road. So what I would do is take these geometries, make new objects out of them, extrude them out so they are boxes. So they can be signed as collision boxes. Now what do I do if I have like this, something like this? I cannot just extrude that and say, hey, you are a box now. This is a triangle. I could use convex collisions, but that is way more expensive. This here. Yeah, I'm not sure about the engine making the collisions, because I need to... This is very long time ago. This was last year, I believe, where I played around with collisions, but I think Unreal was not able to do correct collisions. Yeah, I have it right in front of me. As far as I know, if Unreal does it for you, it will still not be efficient. Not that I would probably have any problems since my environments are not that big, but I don't know, because this is just the start. What if it'll get big? It costs in the long run. This is like, right now I'm concepting a pipeline. I won't have only one island, I will have hundreds. Oh well, my laundry is ready. I need to jump real quick. Be right back in a jiffy. Me right back. Okay. Thanks. I am back. Alright then. Anyway, Martin, welcome to the stream, by the way. I forgot to say hello. Yeah, I will test it, I guess. But I don't know why, but I decided to take custom collisions. Why ever? There must have been a reason, I just forgot. That's not good. Very strange. What in the... Whoops. Oh, Pua, hello! How are you doing? Welcome, welcome. What do you mean cute? I'm waiting. Say it. I'm cool. Say it. Unbelievable. Minus 50 monkey points. Too late. But welcome, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. How are you doing today? Ah, so young. Wait, 6 days ago? Did I join your stream on your birthday? I don't remember. When was it again? It was last week someday. Anyway, happy birthday, even belated, but even though it's belated. Yes, cool. Don't mess with me, buddy. What should I say? I'm older than you two. A kitten. Oh god. Wait, 2 days ago? Happy birthday, King! has birthday? What's going on here? Your parents have, I don't know, fun time at Valentine's Day or something? That would be the perfect time. Like timing wise. I'm onto something. I always mess up the rotation. Now you know, though. Why did it go up there? Oh well, I don't care. Such a strange behavior. I will never understand 3D modeling, man. Such a mystery. Let's say 75. That's 75, not 705. F50. Something like that. Maybe this is way too much. Even that is too much. How do I copy a face? I can duplicate. Shift D. Wait, why is the height different? Oh my god, I'm going to... do unspeakable things. Why? You just said... Is it because of this? Now it's 100. Oh my god. Duplicate this. Okay. Shift R? No. How was it to... Alt N. And now we're upside down. Oh boy. Why did the height change? Oh my god. Please. What's going on? They are fine. Why does it not extrude in that direction? Just not doing it. Thinks the normal is somewhere else. Why would it think that? Makes no sense. It makes no sense. Oh, if I can... Okay. Whatever then. I really give up here right now. Well, at least. Why is it getting bigger? Oh, because of the normal. Oh my god, please. I hate this. I hate this. Nuh-uh, I don't like this. I hate this. I really do not enjoy this. This is bad. I would rather play a game right now. But I'm sitting here and just suffer. This is so bad. This is so bad. This is so bad. It's just bad. Oh my god. It's so bad. Everyone who knows how to 3D model is looking at this and are pointing their fingers on this monkey and saying, haha, look at this clown. Oh my god. So bad. Thanks, baby. But I am sure I'm doing extremely bad here. I'm sure it's like in that scene. What is the name of the thing called again from the film? Naked Gun, where they're in the theater and everyone is like face palming. Do you know that scene? You should look at that scene. Just write Naked Gun and facepalm. So good. It is, isn't it? Oh, this is so bad. This is so bad. I cannot make it like perfect without it aligning to edges and stuff. It's so bad. My process is so bad. Everything is so bad. I want to go home. I am home. Help. Now if I extrude here with normal, it will just do something very, very stupid. Watch this. Extrude, and I say normal, and then I say Z like 50. It goes up, man. Why? Why would you do that? Why are you like this? Like why? I don't got this, man. It just bullies me, this fucking program. Like what am I supposed to do here to make it perfect now? And I have to do like a bunch of more islands. This is so bad. This is actually bad. Oh, I don't care. Oh my god. Now I want this same size over here. How do I do that? I don't know. I don't know how to do that. right? I have the time of my life right now. I will look back at this and will be like, ah, good old days. I wish I were there again. And doing more modeling. So I extrude. Now I want to extrude this alongside its normal. But the normal is like, you know what, monkey? My normal is not perfectly aligned. My normal goes a little bit up because I'm artistic. Ah. Yeah, the normal is not normaling. Exactly. I'm going to cry, man. Please, someone end my misery. Now this says 111 centimeters, but it has some millimeters. How am I going to read that? I don't know. Who cares? So what we do is we go here and say 111 millimeters. Never mind, we can't, because he says we cannot extend over, which is, if I hold Alt though, I can. And then we say 111 centimeters, and then that's perfect enough. God damn it. Yes, I will be exactly like that, King. Oh my god. End me now. It's not. What? Stop! Stop! You little. Why are you changing? Why? Why did you go down? Even if I say oh my god, it's because of this. I don't care anymore. Nope, we are not using that anymore. Also, you know what? Our road is bigger than this. Yeah, that's good. Amazing. Look at this beauty. Would you buy this game? I would buy this game. Speed bumps. No! I don't want speed bumps. And there it is. Our first island. Well, it's not finished yet, of course. This is just... This is so bad. God. Do people want speed bumps? What do you mean? No! No speed bumps! Oh my god, I'm sitting on this for 2 hours already, man. What do you mean I cannot even finish one map in one day? Oh my god. Do you know how many days I would need then? Oh my god. This will never finish. I will never finish a game like this. There must be a better way to do this. I will not calm down. I'm monkey. Hello? Can you Why can't I? Okay. So now what we are going to do is firstly save. Then we duplicate this part. And then, how do I put this into another object? How do I create a new object out of another object? Enter edit mode. Select the geometry. Separate, press P to bring up separate mode. Okay. Press P. Selection. There we go. Okay, so if I go now here on this. Okay, perfect. So now this will be the upper collision. If you have an object in Unreal and say it's invisible, like visibility false, does its collider still function? Or do I really have to use a shader that is see-through? Yes, perfect. Because then soon we can test if it's actually making some kind of sense with the collision. Okay, this is our collision box. Or, well, that's not a box anymore, is it? Now we go back to the other guy. I can... Okay. Edit mode. Select everything here. Duplicate. Separate. Object mode. Lower collision. And then we say edit, select all, extrude, move Z5. And here is our collisions. Now we can use these collisions and this as road geometry for now, and then see if it's working or not, I guess. So let's... I think we will part them one by one. Not the crystal. This one, road visuals or something, I don't know. Why did you do that? Why? Also, maybe I should call this dark and light. That's better. Node, light, dark, crystal, road, visual. Alright, then we hope for the best. Export FBX Unreal. Where are we? Island 1. This is collision upper. So it is collision light. Is Unreal. So collision light islands 01 collision lights. Port. Then export FBX collision dark and export FBX road visuals. All right. Crystal, I don't care right now. We save. Then we go in here. Content maps dummy. We have a one thingy here. Should I make another maybe test or something first? On. Okay. Import. Island 01 CL has degenerate tangent base which will result in Incoherent shading. I mean, I don't care. I don't need shading for that guy. New map. Why does it want me to save the main map? Well, I don't care. So we put in these guys. And here's our problem. See this? This is the collision that it generated. Do you guys have anything where I can make this collision better? Now I know why I took my custom collisions, I guess. I don't care about the collisions of this guy. But the collision of this guy, it should not be outside here. So, is there any way where we can say, hey, can you do perfect collision? Collision, add sphere, simplified collision, auto-convex collision. Oh, that's the problem. We don't have a convex shape. That's awful. Can I also remove this one? Or we actually see? Because I am sure this is not a collision. Well, we can fly inside, I guess. It's not even generating it anymore. In which detail one? Static mesh. Let's re-import it first. Remove all three. And then let's only import the light one. Import. Put it in. Throw it out. So somewhere here in the details. Collision complexity. Use complex collision as simple. This kinda looks like it, I guess. Huh. Oh, the normals are wrong. Damn it. Let me fix that. I have so much fun here. This is fun time. Why are you all not... Can I just say, please flip them outside? Perfect. Okay. Boop. And then rectangulate outside. And we're good. Object. Boop, boop, boop. Now, first dark. Export. FBX. Dark. Port. Light. Port. And roads can stay. Okay. If. Goodbye. Whoops. Oh. I don't care. Whoop. Whoop. And then we say... collision. Use. Complex as simple, right? Oh baby, you're leaving. Bye bye. Thanks for tuning in. Okay. And then... Huh. Interesting. Well, if this works, we could use this, I guess. I know it is. That's why I'm probably not using it. But if I don't use this, then how am I going to make a custom one? Right? Then I would need to know how to make all these shapes into custom boxes. And then put them into an object and then export it and import it here and so on. I wonder how big a shape can be until it's too much for Unreal to handle, or for a like mid-range or low-range PC. Why are they 2? Ah, this guy doesn't have a shape anymore. Bye-bye. Side. And the last guy here. Ah, come on. And this guy, I don't want it to have any collision. Where do we set this? Can we tell them to not have a collision? Not. Perfect. This guy doesn't have a collision. Others are not visible. Ugh. I wonder how complex this is. Can't Unreal just make its own boxes out of this? I don't know. Like, this is the only collision I need for the floor. And this can maybe grow in size of tenfold, maybe a little more, depending on how crazy I want to go. But that's it. Everything else from the environment has no collision. Very, very serious. Okay, I think I will stop here, and tomorrow I will make this level selectable, or how to say, travelable. And if that works, yeah, playable, probably. I mean, not really playable. I will not add swarms and so on, but you can walk on it. I want to walk on this part and see if we can jump from here to the other side, and then when that works we can work more on the island and make some shapes actually to let it look like an island, I guess. And then when that's done, I need to texture it. So many question marks. Anyway, not sure who's still here. I think you're here. I'm sure Martin is also here. Thank you both for tuning in. You're not? That would be crazy. Anyway, everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.